Of course, this is after I used it. As you can see, it's a solid unit. There is no air gaps. The only downfall is if you do it extra fine, it gets stuck in the bottom and it doesn't come with a brush to get it out. That was my only... So in order to get this out, you have to flip it upside down with this lid on. Get it inside. Take your other hand, take that off, and it would be in here, and then you can dump it in your cup or filter basket. Other than that, no complaints. I have to say I brew a fresh cup every day, sometimes twice. 2 teaspoons works perfect for 1 cup. Awesome. Good luck. Enjoy.
So, this little guy does its job. Does its job very well. It's easy to clean. I give that a 5-star, but originally this came with little rubber feet in it, which I had then got rid of and pushed some little felt pads in place of it. And the reason why is because this little shit put little footprints all over the counter. And I've tried Clean Freak, I've tried Awesome, I've tried a number of different cleaners, and this stuff will not come up. So I'm giving the design aspect of that a 0.
So I bought this product like a month ago, and then I used it literally 5 times. This is the 5th time. It's not working. It's connected, and it smells like burned electric. And the amount they put inside is not even a lot. And before I buy, I was thinking not to buy because of the commands. But you see, this is just like a bad product.
You just snap it on like that, and that's the button. Just a little tap. No different settings, nothing too confusing. It's great. You just plug it in. He tells me all the time that he would buy this over and over because he just loves it so much.
Smells good.
Este producto es súper excelente y práctico para moler cualquier tipo de café, nuez moscada. Súper práctico. Llegó en un muy buen estado. Lo recomiendo a un 100%.